Hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm over in Hawley. I'm going to show you around this fantastic endless pool room today. So this building is 6 metres wide, 5 metres deep with the French doors in it. Externally, all the usual things you would expect from one of our buildings. So that's got the MTX cladding. As this is a full bespoke building, we've gone with the V200 to the side and the front here, and then the back and the right hand side has actually got the cement board product. You can see these half drop windows look a little bit strange here, but we're kind of side on from the house. This is the house here. So this back window actually looks out into the garden, which I'll show you in a moment. The windows are our lovely smooth finished chamfered option with that colour match, white inside, externally with the anthracite there. You can see there's some vents up there as well. We've done them in a nice dark grey, and these lovely French doors, aluminium, really nice. Inside you can see the endless pool is part set in the ground. Now this has been installed by our very good friends at Home Counties Swimming Pools and Hot Tubs. They're a great company. As you probably seen some of my videos before, we work with these guys a lot. Normally I show you this with the cover off, but I'm going to today show you with the cover on. This is the endless pool safety cover. It's a manual. If I show you down there, you manually wind that up. The cool thing about this is you can actually stand on this. So we've tried it out. So for safety, it's a great option. If you've got kids around, it's absolutely brilliant. And this manual wind comes as standard with the endless pool. If you don't know what an endless pool is, go back to see some of our other videos. Essentially, you don't move, the water does. So it's like a treadmill for swimming. Fantastic product here. So this also residually heats the room, but as well as that, we've got our little heater on the wall there, which is pool room specific, and then we've got our humidity sensors there that come on, expel open when it is in full use. So yeah, look, a really lovely room. All the internals have been designed for wet leisure use. That window now makes a bit more sense. You can see it kind of goes out into the garden. So there's this nice interaction with that. Wet room floor that we've done, the classic oak grey. I really love this flooring, and say it's fully wet room ready. You can just jump out the pool, get this as wet as you like, no problem at all. Got the speed sensors actually sitting up there, so you can see the speed meters per minute that you're swimming. And yeah, just a really lovely building. With this 6x5, you've got loads of space as well. So if you're a triathlete, you can very easily get a treadmill, running machine in here, and a bike in here very easily. We're in here at the moment. We've just got a nice place to have a coffee in the morning. So yeah, there you go. That's our 6x5 endless pool room, in combination with our good friends at Home Counties Swimming Pools and Hot Tubs. Really appreciate their efforts on all of this. A real lovely project, and if you're interested in these exercise pools, please do give us a call. We've got lots of experience with this and can surely help. Thank you.